Sai Ram students, we will continue with the lesson Bhakti Panth. Till now, a just quick recap. We have spoken about what is Bhakti Panth. We spoke about few eminent Bhakti Panth saints, right? First, we spoke about Ramananda. Then we spoke about Kabir Das. The next period, we spoke about anybody want to tell? Yes, we spoke about Guru Nanak and we spoke about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Let us take it further. Today we will also again continue with the topic of important saints of Bhakti Panth. Now, have you all heard about a very famous female bhajan singer who was from the western part of India, who was completely devoted towards Lord Krishna, and her bhajans are very famous. Yes, you are right. Yes, we will be talking about Mirabai. Let's start. Today we will be talking about Mirabai, Pandharpur, and the other saints of Maharashtra. And Maharashtra is a soil wherein so many important saints had come up. If you all know, Shirdi Sai Baba also was from Maharashtra. And we will talk about Das Parampari. Let us start with Mirabai. The other name for Bhakti movement is Mirabai, who was the princess of Mewar, that is a Rajput dynasty. She renounced a life of luxury and she became the most devoted follower of Lord Krishna. What is renounced? When you give away all your materialistic things, it's called as renouncing. So she renounced the entire her life, which was filled with luxury and all the materialistic pleasure and materialistic things, and she completely devoted her life towards worshipping Lord Krishna. Though she was married to the Rajput prince, she left all her worldly things and became the disciple of Ravidas, who was a saint and who was born in an untouchable caste. She composed many songs which were devoted towards Lord Krishna and which were called as bhajans. Now also Mirabai bhajans are sung in so many different parts of the world. She criticized the claim of superior status of high caste people in her bhajans. She also stressed that there should not be any discrimination among the people on the basis of their status, that they are poor. She felt that all the people should be treated equally in the society. Everybody should be in par. These bhajans are very popular even today in Rajasthan and in the states of Gujarat. Like this, many reformers tried to bridge the gap between religions and caste in various parts of India. So we have done till now 5 Bhakti saints from the northern part of India, starting from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Ramananda, Kabir, Guru Nanak and Mirabai. Let us take the next topic. Pandharpur. I think we all have heard about Lord Vitthal temple which is there in Pandharpur. Pandharpur comes in present Maharashtra. Vithoba temple at Pandharpur on the banks of river Bhima, which is also called as Chandrabhaga river in Maharashtra, was the main center for the Bhakti movement. Gyaneshwar, Namdev, Eknath, Tukaram and Ramdas were some of the prominent and very eminent saints of the new sect. Now what was Das Parampare? Purandara Das, I think his Kirtanas are so famous, and Kanakadasa were foremost among the Bhakti movement saints in Karnataka. Their path was referred as Dasa Parampare. So I hope today you all have understood. We spoke about 3 major topics starting from Mirabai. Next one we spoke about Pandharpur, and the third one Das Parampare. Let us quickly. Mirabai was a princess of Mewar. Although she was married to a Rajput prince, she renounced her luxury and became an ardent devotee of Lord Krishna. She composed many songs of devotion towards Krishna, which were called as bhajans, which are popular even today. She criticized the claim of superior status of high caste people in her bhajan. The very famous Vithoba temple at Pandharpur in Maharashtra was a prominent center for the Bhakti movement. There were many saints which were associated with this center of Bhakti. Few important ones were Gyaneshwar, Namdev, Eknath, Tukaram, and Ramdas. In Karnataka, some of the foremost among the Bhakti movement saints were Purandaradas and Kanakadasa. Their path was called as the Dasa Parampare. I hope it is clear, students. This is a small piece of homework. Please do it. Thank you.